Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com, coming to you from my salon, getting right into it. What do you do when you have children misbehaving in your salon? And the parents are sitting right there and they're letting their kids jack around. This is what I did, and this is how I handled it, and this is what works. You look directly at the child in the middle of the misbehavior and you, excuse me, can you please not do that? You don't see anybody else around here doing that. We don't behave that way here in the salon, and if you want to be welcome back, you have to do what everybody else here is doing, and that is sit down. Right then and there, the mom knows it's her turn to reprimand her child and make her child behave like a civil human being in polite society. If they don't do that, then as the salon owner, the responsibility falls on me. If you're the salon owner, the responsibility falls on you. So you don't have to be ugly and hateful to the child. You just be firm, look them in the eye and say, excuse me, please don't do that. Sit down, please. Look at everybody else here. We're all acting the same way. This is how we behave in this salon. And you just say something nice like that. How can anybody fault you or argue with you? Because everybody else is sitting around being tormented by this bad child acting up. And it's not the child's fault, it's the parents' fault when they abdicate the responsibility and let their kid run rampant in public. If you're one of those parents, hate it for you, but everybody's gonna really dislike you and dislike your child, unfortunately, because hey, we have polite society and polite society rules. We use our inner voice and we sit down in salons. We don't jack around. So anyway, Nail Techs, I hope that helped. A little piece of business advice that I've learned from 35 years of being a nail tech. Peace out.